What's really happening with asylum cases in the U.S.?
The United States is demonizing migrants and refugees and asylum seekers and TPS recipients, families just trying to make a living and live safely for their loved ones.
As the U.S. government speeds up deportations, immigration agents aren't just targeting those they call criminals. They are also going after asylum seekers, people fleeing persecution, and even those with legal protections like TPS.
Our congregational members are working today on the civil rights challenges of our day, one of which, of course, is the crisis for migrants.
The Religious Action Center of Reform Judaism has been a leading voice for the vulnerable, carrying on a legacy of advocacy and justice.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. used to have his offices here at this institution of Reform Judaism. We have more than 6 decades of a history of organizing communities to show up in interfaith, multiracial networks of solidarity and coalitions to protect the most vulnerable, the widow, the orphan, and the stranger, as we say in the biblical text.
In 2024, there were almost 900,000 asylum applications. Even though these people were seeking protection, many of them have been deported.
Our congregations do a lot of work to gather the needs for families, furniture, children's books, diapers, to provide free health care and medical clinics. We have some of our lawyers in our congregations that offer free legal advice for our refugee and migrant populations.
Currently, the total number of pending cases in immigration courts has exceeded 3.5 million. As these asylum cases face delays, applicants are forced to wait years for hearings, creating a critical need for legal and social support.
Now more than ever, the Jewish community leans into that moral and spiritual command that we are to provide refuge for the stranger.
For resources or more information, you can visit rac.org. We're Activista Media.